I've been following this case of General Mkhwanazi very closely, and it got me thinking. It got me thinking really hard. Horena, do we have the kind of leaders like General Mkhwanazi in our country, Lesotho? Do we have the kind of leaders who are not afraid to die for their principles, who are not afraid to speak against injustice, who are not afraid to speak against crime, who are not afraid to speak against corruption, and who can boldly say, I don't care if they kill me, but the people would have known the truth? Do you have those kind of leaders in our country? Like in Lesotho? No, I don't think so. We can only suffer well. We can only suffer well to be like South Africa, where the people also rally behind Mkhwanazi and say, hands off Mkhwanazi. Like the people will say, touch Mkhwanazi and you'll know us. And the people will say, if ever you remove Mkhwanazi from his seat, you will face us. I'm looking at the content creators right now. They're even making jokes about this issue. I saw one of the very famous content creator that I don't know his name, but that video when he was checking his time and said, I'm checking my time. Eventually I start looting. I want a washing machine this time around. It may sound a joke, but we know that South Africans mean business, right? They do. And that makes the government to act right, even though it may not act 100% right, but they will try to get busy. Like they do something, because they know that South Africans mean business. But when I know, we had Machabana. She was about to present a report in Parliament, PAC, against works, and apparently the Prime Minister allegedly kept quiet. Report corruption allegations, accusations as a corruption about the park homes. Yes, people have to be prosecuted. Crime, but the timing was very questionable. And we didn't say anything. We didn't say hands off Machabane. We can see what you are trying to do. Kept quiet. Chika came. I feel like hopes that the Prime Minister, the promises that he made prior to elections, that made us, some of us, to vote for him, because we promised change, we promised unemployment. When he reminded the Prime Minister his promises, his usual statement, expression, all the points that he was raising, he was insulting the Prime Minister. I have prosecuted. We are happy here. Yeah. Morals. Anyone will tell you from South Africa, I can tell the clapper is nothing to them. The conversation if I normally I got look at but I still never time go prove your about morals. I mean that the whole concept of Shika question the Prime Minister hey, you once promised us this. That's why you voted for you. How far are you? Are you living to that mandate? Are you living to the promise? Do you think change? When we have mastered the art of making our servants our masters, our politicians are not our servants in Lesotho. No, we vote for them, we put them there for our part like the dishonest taxpayers. I shame a joke. What are you re ke ba ga etsa ntho no re ne re be se re feitse gore re ka re hands off tjeka we have failed to re hands off machabana elisima no batho ba ifa di salary increment tsa di 100k re those tu motho ikela mosebetsing 8 days ena le decree a bitla ifumana bo ma 64000 and are still silent qetelong ya letsatsi motlaka o sontso nyoloa wa re turela we are complaining hanyanyana di social media monana and it's business as usual. But South Africans will take it to the streets and the government will act right. Empa wena mona ke khotso fela. Ke gona ga tshasa khotso. Hore na ga lapa, hore na ga gora, we don't care. Hore na system ha re sebetse hantle re tla thola. Hore we promised 70,000 jobs. Where are they? There's still no question. Sometimes you're not even frightened by the government. Ke lona tla simona ba re sotlang. So le bana ka tla ifihlela gona change. Hona le mohlang di human rights di tla ba respected le Sotho mo. Hona le mohlang corruption e tla fitse fela le Sotho mo. Hona le mohlang crime e tla fela. While we are busy protecting our leaders, hana bo mkhonazi, and le ha bo mkhonazi ba hla we are not willing to support them. Re ke di drama king di drama queen. Gala magoba.